Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you how to get to the homeroom and how to use everything from a tablet from a student's point of view. So I've logged in as a student, so I'm going to click on the homeroom and it should hopefully just come up. I'm logged in as a child and it is a view only. So if you try and click the links this way, none of it will work. It just won't work. You have to make sure you press the triangle button at the top right hand corner and present this device. Once you're presenting, all the links should work fine. So let's test the maths one. So the maths one will open and it will be there. Some of the videos are temperamental. So in this case, this video, when I click here, I can press that and then the video will open and it's just these two videos here. Sometimes it doesn't want to work. I'm not sure why. We are troubleshooting that. Let's just say this 5-minute one, it won't work. If I present it, let's see if it works. There you go. So sometimes you have to be presenting, sometimes you don't. I'm not sure why. We will try and sort that out. It is just troubleshooting everything as it goes along. But other than that, as long as you're presenting on the homeroom, everything should work fine. I hope that's all right. Good luck. Any problems, we're here for you. Thank you. Bye.